Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nadia. My accent number is 22. I am from Mansatu Jembrana. So, I will show you how to make noodle omelet. Kitchenware, frying pan, bowl, plate, pan, food tongs, spoon, and fork. Ingredients: 1 pack of noodle, seasoning noodle, 2 eggs, and oil. Next is the omelette making process. First, bring the water to the boiling. Second, add the noodle to the boiling water. Next, after the noodles are cooked, they are removed and add the seasoning noodle. And then stir until it mixed well. After that, crack the egg into the bowl. And mix. And then heat the oil and add the omelette mixture. After that, remove from the heat one cooker and pour and on a plate. And then give a spoon and fork. Finally, omelette ready to eat.